Hey friends, I just want to give some of you value investors out there that are trying to behave like day traders and you're almost going insane. Basically, the temptation is to sit and watch this stock here and also this other one all day long. And we invested quite low. Some invested down here, some in here, some here. But if you looked at the conference where the two senior executives of the company talked about the financials, the infrastructure, the customers, and recently they had the CE certification for this product, you shouldn't really be worried about all the dips. So at the start of the day, I looked at the market open, it was like 20%, and then it dropped down to like it was like -4% or something like that. And the feed is absolutely crazy. You guys are just like torturing yourself. So I mean, if you believe in the product, if you open up multiple positions, maybe you have like a small percentage in this product like myself, like 1 or 2%, you open up a bunch of penny stocks and the riskier side of things, then you just let the law of averages do the work for you instead of having to sit and stare at the screen all day. You could be working another job at the same time if you really wanted. So it's just emotionally draining. So trust your investments and let them do the work for you. This one here, yeah, again, look, it started off like people getting like way down here or something like that, and it's just doing a little bit of volatile movements, like $1 a day. And it's quite a lot if people have like large positions. Some of you guys are investing like 100% in all these stocks. I would never ever give you an opinion to invest more than maybe 3% max. Even 3% is quite a lot for a company of this nature. So I just if you're a value investor, then don't try and behave like day traders. Maybe set some profits taking, but it's up to you. So it's worked okay for me. I've got quite a few of these penny stocks in the sort of the 20% allocation of my sort of riskier part of my portfolio. But this sort of month has worked out quite well. Where it manages at a risk 4 point something, I guess. I don't actually know how exactly to get the exact risk score. But if anyone knows how to do that, please let me know in the comments. So this month we've got quite a lot of games from mostly TRXE and some of these penny stocks, but also our core positions are doing quite well, so quite happy about that. So if we just go to the portfolio, you can see that indeed we are. This is fluctuating quite wildly because of it was down -4% today, but at one point I had one position that was up at like 700% or something like that, 760%. At one point it was like 800 or so. But this sort of 9% is not really sustainable. I'll say that myself. I'm prepared for this to go back down to around 6%, 5% end of the month. But because I'm doing value investing, then even if there's a drop off and sell off in some of these more riskier stocks, then the law of averages means that I will get back a lot of these gains. So like one of the biggest problems that I've had is closing positions too early. I mean, I had some Tesla stocks when they were down at $50. If you take but I've basically been selling them all the way up. So that's one of the lessons I've learned, and one thing I took on from Andrew Haddon, his Felix YouTube channel, is that basically as a value investor I shouldn't be closing good trades too early. So let's down the chart. This chart's doing pretty good January so far. So like I said, it's not really this is not really sustainable in my portfolio. I do say I'm 1 to 1.5% a month. I'm happy with that, and that will get me to some good gains at the end of the year. This here, well, I will not risk. I will not gamble 7% of the month's gains. I will kind of hopefully close out in the month above 9%, and those extra percentage will get us through difficult times, as there always will be negative months in a normal year. I mean, I've got some of my most trusted advisors saying that they're expecting a US downturn, so we'll see what happens soon. In terms of Discord server, we've got quite a few channels now. We've got quite a lot of specific stuff. So you can see here we have a lot of stuff in TRXC, and we're quite often in there talking about the prices and whether we should take profit and all that stuff. But a lot of the chat is just kind of too stressful, and you really shouldn't have to sit and stare at these charts. If we're in value investing, then that's pretty much what we promote in this server. Then we should just kind of relax and let the stocks do the work for us, because that in a sense is less stressful for us. Okay, well, thanks for watching this quick fire video, and hopefully you do well in your investments. See you again.